Now it is.
I feel like I'm gonna get in trouble. I'm gonna get in trouble for this. Like he's gonna come over and be like, excuse me.
I hope you can. I'm gonna pee my pants.
What?
So I'm gonna pee my pants.
I've never been one of these before.
We're doing a good deed. We're turning the scooter.
You know it shouldn't be sitting in the hot sun. I think it's running out of gas.
I don't know if she can make it.
People are gonna be like, what the?
What? Look both ways before you cross the street.
It's okay, I'm old. Well, I'm in the
It's okay, I'm old. Now, where do you park it?
I think you're supposed to go outside.
Watch out for the pole. Okay. This is the funniest thing. You just can't leave it there. You're welcome.